Hey travel friends! In today's video, we are having a look at the TWA hotel. I'm taking you on a room tour of the hotel room that we stayed in. Now, if you wish to see more of this wonderful hotel and all the great amenities that they offer, have a look at this video once you've finished. All right, guys, let's get started. So we stayed in room 638, and I'll preface this by saying it was a handicap accessible room, which I don't like receiving. I really like to save those for those who need them, but this is what we received. So you're going to notice that it is quite spacious, and the shower especially, you'll see it's a walk-in roll-in shower. I believe this would be the only difference between our shower and one in a standard room. Overall, we found the bathroom to be very clean. There's a detachable shower head as well as a rainfall style shower head. They also provide you with toiletries, so shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And as you can see, there's some railings and bars there because it is wheelchair accessible. They're also going to give you some hangers there. You'll see the gold hangers, so you can hang up your belongings or a robe. There's some hooks for that as well. And then the vanity area is a large mirror. They give you some hand soap, tissues. You can wheel right under the sink if you are in a wheelchair, but for us, it worked perfectly fine. They also have the toilet there, and you'll see a bath mat. Now, directly across from the bathroom, there's a little sitting area, and that's where they put our towels and washcloths. Yeah, I didn't think it was the most sanitary place to put it, but that's where we found it. They also provide you with a hairdryer in these bags right here. On second thought, maybe they put the towels there because it is an accessible room, so it will be easier to grab for those who need it. But as you walk into the bedroom area, you're going to see what looks like a bar cart, and they have some glasses there, which I love. This adds such a vintage touch to the room. So there's some wine glasses, water glasses, and martini glasses, and that is your room fridge right there. It kind of reminds me of one of the gas station fridges because it has the black rose there. And so this is just a fun little bar area full of everything that you might need. There's also a tiny little ice bucket there with a stainless steel ice picker upper thing. What do you call that? Tongs. Yeah, so it's got everything that you need in the bar area, and there's also a safe in the bottom drawer. So it's concealed and hidden away, and that's where you can put all of your valuables. Now, right next to the bed, you'll find the tiniest little floor-length mirror, as well as a nightstand with one of these really cool wireless phone chargers. So you just plop your phone on that circle and it will charge your phone. It also has some USBs and a nightlight there, some really cool vintage artwork. You'll see the posters of places that TWA used to fly to, so the Egypt, Paris, and Disneyland one. I really enjoyed seeing that. That's that funny little mirror again. So you can check out your full outfit, but you got to squish yourself in the corner to do so. And then you have your thermostat right there on the wall. It's climate controlled, so you can choose what temperature you want to set the room at. Across from the bed, you will find a very large workstation, a pretty big sized desk there, and we stored our luggage underneath it. There's also a large flat screen TV, as well as some plugs there for all of your electronic needs. And if you look right here, this part confused me. They are a very much so eco-friendly hotel. They don't want any waste in their hotel. So this sign says to place recyclables here and place garbage on the other side. And I think you're supposed to put it on the ground, but there was no trash there. So I did not know where to put my garbage, so we put it on top of the table. I hope that was okay. In addition to this, there's a room phone on the desk. My kids were really excited to see one of these rotary phones, the ones that you dial with your finger. They had never seen one before, so that was interesting to show them. There's tons of pencils, as you can see there, a notepad, and a desk lamp. And then right next to it, there's a floor lamp, which gives much light. even though the room is already full of light because of this huge, beautiful window. So our view wasn't the greatest. We just had a view of the walking tunnel. That's the part that connects the hotel to the actual airport. So it's connected to Terminal 5, which is JFK's airport. So we just walked along that little air bridge and we were at the airport in like 7 minutes. So it was really convenient. I talk about that more in my previous video, but I just wanted to give you an overview of the room. The bed was very, very comfortable. The room was super clean and we had a great night's sleep in this room. One more thing that I wanted to share with you guys was the motorized electronic blackout drapes that are in the room. It's perfect for travelers who need sleep during the day. So you just press the button and the curtains will either go up or down. You can control how high or low you want them. And I just thought it was a great little touch to the room. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you would like to see more travel content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you in our little travel community, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.